Luckily, we broke down like 100 meters from a mechanic shop, so him's talking to them. I think I'm going with them. I don't know. Yeah, we have a leak in the radiator, I think.
Oh.
I think some sort of leak. When we came back to the car, there was a puddle of, I think, radiator fluid underneath it. And this is empty now. ID.
So I think we are taking a bus to Yaso and just leaving basically everything. Thankfully, we're not too far from Yaso, so 3.5 hours. Could be further. We could have broken down in the national park on a mountain. Bye. Alright. Alright, do it again. Road trip!
Surprise!
I think right now our plan has changed to spend the next 10 days in Yaso. The next bus to Yasothon is midnight. So I think we need to find a place to stay and take a bus tomorrow. And our car is gonna take about 10 days. Yeah, it's gonna take 10 days and a lot of money. Alright, the plan is changing again, potentially. Apparently, we could take a motorbike taxi. We might be taking a bike now. I don't know. Am is just negotiating and seeing what the deal is. Literally, this trip changes every hour. Pretty much every hour, something is changing for us. Crazy idea. What do you say?
Taxi meter.
Oh.
No meter. I talk about 3 people. 2,000 just so. 2,000. Okay,ไหม? You think?
Not motorbike.
Crazy idea. Crazy tip.
Okay, plans changed again. Taxi drivers told us we're insane, basically. Don't do it on a bike, just take a taxi. By the time you price in like staying here for a night, taking the bus tomorrow, taking another taxi to Yaso, I think it's just worth it to go tonight. I think we're all tired of today for now.
You're tired.
I'm tired. I was driving. And now the car's gone. And I'm sad. And everything's just going downhill.
Oh no. It's okay.
It's not okay for the bank account. Not okay. Hey everybody.
ไปนี่แหละไป101ขึ้นไปเนี่ยไป
See you in Yaso,
เส
guys.
ไปเนี่ย
I feel really grateful and lucky that we have this place to be until our car is fixed. This is Yaso. This is the village where John Dai grew up, and so this is kind of more like his family business. His family runs this place. Different people in his family come here, stay here, have workshops, host people and do different things. And so we're really lucky to be able to be here and crash here while we don't have a car. We went through a whole thing to get to Yaso last night. Woke up this morning and it is really beautiful, so peaceful. Yeah, awesome.
So almost 3 a.m.
อ๋อเพราะว่าอันนี้พอเอามาอุ่นแล้วมันเข้มข้น
So So part of the work here today is we're harvesting the wheat that they planted. And I'm not sure what they're going to make out of it. Maybe flour. Just a chill morning harvesting some wheat.
ที่ไม่มีที่ดินทำงานเขาเรียกว่าแห่ของป่าถ้าสมมติว่าทุกคนทำบุญแต่ที่นี่เขาก็ไปซื้อรถเอ็มบูแลนซ์นะถ้าเขาบริจาคมาเยอะที่นี่ก็เลย
So this is our second day in Yaso at Panpan Yaso. We've gotten up really early because we're gonna go give merit to the monks and also go to the market. So last night we just went for like a little bike ride in the village. Everybody was just so nice. Like everybody in Thailand is really nice in general. Like people will smile at you, like, you know, be friendly towards you, but here just has like a different energy. People just seem like friendlier and more relaxed in general, even towards like, you know, the other Thai people that are here that don't normally live here. Like people are just like, hello, hi, like welcome, like not even to foreigners, like just to other Thais that aren't like local here. If you are open-hearted to people, like they will just like embrace you and like make you like family, and I feel like we've already experienced that a little bit, and yeah, it really is like so heartwarming to experience. It feels very for me like I've done nothing to deserve it, but they're just like so open and so welcoming, and they're like everybody knows that we're here too, especially since we went and just like biked around in the village. They're like, oh, you went to the village. Like everybody knows that we've gone. And so now it's like our presence is known. So let's go. Cute little market.
แมงกีซอนกับไข่มดแดง
หมดแดงค่ะ
แมงกีซอนคือนี่ต้องเป็นพวกนะ
Okay.
Good morning ค่ะ
ไม่ได้อยู่บ่ I love you
I love you too ข้าวซี
ครับผม
ข้าวเหนียว
Yen.
เย็น
สวัสดีค่ะสบายดีไหม
So everybody is so friendly here. It's crazy. Em and I drank a little bit too much last night, so we got some green chlorophyll soup to take. Apparently really good for your stomach.
Oh, you want coffee? Oh, ได้เอาค่ะ
สวัสดีครับ
สวัสดีค่ะสบายดีไหม
สบายดีครับ โอ้ว้าวเล่ากับเป็นได้ไหม
เอา
เรียกได้ว่า
โอ้
นี่โอวันตีน
โอเคค่ะ
โอเค
ขอบคุณค่ะ โอ้มีชื่อหน่อยค่ะ โอ้นี่โอเคค่ะ
โอเคกินกาแฟแล้วเอากิน
เอา
ครับขอบคุณครับ
เอาอะไร What do you want These donuts are so good. They have like sweetened condensed milk inside, and they're so fresh. And you just dip them in coffee or hot chocolate or tea or whatever you're drinking. And get your sugar and caffeine fix for the morning.
You in the shop. Have a shop.
Hello, Em. สวัสดีค่ะทำอะไรนี่ค่ะทำอะไรอยู่ค่ะ
ทำอะไรทำบุญ ทำบุญ
โอ้ What did he tell you?
Just to take off my shoes and give rice. How do you call it? Little boxes of milk. Somebody becomes a monk tomorrow. Today they give offering and have a bit of a party for them. And then tomorrow he's a monk. Okay.
ขอบคุณมากค่ะ ครับ
Like a really big dangerous wasp or hornet or something. Yeah. I think I've seen them before and they're like this big. Have like a yellow or orange band, one band on them.
These are the monks' residences, and then they can walk along the railing here, this little kind of boardwalk for their walking meditation just outside of their home. Thank you, Em.
เขาบอกมีงานนี่มีฐานในด้านนอกครับวัดสารตะกร้าใช่ไหม
Fun little trip.
We are now at the Pun Pun Cafe and Spa. We're about to get an eye mask and having mint smoothies and kombucha.
Pun Cafe
ฟ้าทลายโจรแอน
ผมปลาทะเลโจร
เอกไข่เป็ดอ่ะ
ดัก
นะ
Duck egg. Oh.
โลฟ้าทลายโจร
ด้วยก็เก็บมาแน่เลยอ่ะไปรับแขกให้พี่หน่อย มันพาโทงไก่ปอกตาตลอดเวลาเลยอ่ะมันก็สิว่าปอกไปมือนั้น ก็เก็บก็พอกนะเขาเป็นเด็กบ้านลาดเก่าอ่ะ
ใช่ต้ามาเอามา
โอ้ยคิดถึงไอ้ถังยังเลยเนี่ยถ้าเบิ่งหกตามนี่ของตาตา
เลย
สบาย
สบาย
เย็น
เหนียวอ่ะเหนียว
เอามาเสร็จหรือยังไงไปล้างตาล้างหน้าเลยแกก็มีปัญหามากของเพื่อนเขาคนอื่นเขา
This really is a spa day because now Bren is getting a massage from somebody.
Three words written on a paper bag. I miss you was written in a message in black. Thrown in a van 2,000 miles back. A better time. And how many souls and times that I've told. Places that had won't be. And how many days when I could have stayed. instead of just getting up to leave. And Gavin, we make time. I'll meet you down the line.